We're on ice.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Oh yeah. We're on ice. Dude, I can't believe it. We're finally on ice after like 2 years. Yes. Ice fishing, baby. Sweet. Yes. Let's just try to stay away from each other. It is downpouring. There's about 3 inches of ice. We're good. I don't remember the last time I set a tip up. It only looks about like an inch of ice. It doesn't matter if we fall through or not, we're gonna be just as cold.